Hello everyone, welcome to Best Tech Pick channel. If you love cooking and want to make your meals healthier, faster, and more delicious, then this video is for you. Today we're diving into the top 5 air fryers of 2025, each designed to enhance convenience, efficiency, and cooking performance. Whether you're looking for a high-capacity powerhouse, a smart Wi-Fi connected air fryer, or a multifunctional all-in-one machine, we've got the perfect pick for you. By the end of this video, we'll crown the best air fryer of 2025, so stick around to find out which one takes the top spot. The Philips Airfryer XXL HD is a true powerhouse designed for those who want big capacity, powerful performance, and smart cooking technology. This air fryer features a massive 7.3-liter capacity, making it perfect for large families or meal prepping. With its 2,250 watts of power, it cooks food quickly and evenly while using rapid air technology, reducing fat by up to 90% for healthier meals. The smart sensing technology automatically adjusts cooking time and temperature, ensuring your food is cooked to perfection every time. Quick clean and dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning a breeze, and the Keep Warm function keeps your food hot for up to 30 minutes. If you want an air fryer that delivers exceptional power, convenience, and high-quality results, the Philips Airfryer XXL is a must-have. Xiaomi Mi Smart Air Fryer 6 liters is the ultimate choice for those who love smart technology and remote control cooking. Unlike traditional air fryers, this model connects to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, allowing you to control cooking settings, check progress, and even access over 100 preset recipes through the My Home app. It has a 6-liter capacity and 1,500 watts of power, making it ideal for medium-sized families, while its temperature range of 40 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius allows for air frying, baking, dehydrating, and even fermenting yogurt. With Google Assistant and Alexa integration, you can simply say, "Hey Google, start my air fryer." Component placement and let it do the work while you handle other tasks. The OLED touchscreen display provides an intuitive and modern interface for easy temperature and time adjustments, and the dual-layer non-stick basket ensures even cooking with effortless cleanup. Additionally, its 24-hour cooking timer lets you schedule meals in advance, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. If you love technology and automation in your kitchen and want an air fryer that can seamlessly integrate into your smart home system, the Xiaomi Mi Smart Air Fryer 6 liters is an excellent choice. Tefal Easy Fry and Grill and Steam FW 2018 is the perfect pick if versatility is what you're looking for. This 3-in-1 powerhouse combines air frying, grilling, and steaming in a single device, making it an all-in-one solution for a variety of cooking needs. It features an intuitive digital control panel, allowing users to easily switch between cooking modes and adjust settings with precision. The extra-large 6.5-liter capacity ensures you can cook meals for the whole family in one go, while its 360-degree hot air circulation provides even heat distribution for consistently crispy, tender, and flavorful results. With 1,700 watts of power, this air fryer is designed for multifunctional cooking, letting you prepare crispy fried foods, juicy grilled meats, and perfectly steamed vegetables with ease. It features 7 automatic programs and a dual-zone cooking option, so you can cook 2 different meals at once. The adjustable temperature range of 80 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius makes it ideal for a variety of cooking styles. Whether you're roasting, air frying, or steaming delicate dishes, its stainless steel design ensures durability and longevity, making it a great investment for any kitchen. If you want an all-in-one solution that replaces multiple kitchen appliances, the Tefal Easy Fry and Grill and Steam FW 2018 is an unbeatable choice. Instant Vortex Plus XL is a game-changer for those who want a balance of power, functionality, and affordability. This air fryer is designed to deliver fast, even, and crispy cooking results while using significantly less oil than traditional frying methods. It features advanced airflow technology, ensuring food is cooked crispy on the outside and tender on the inside without excessive grease. The sleek, modern design and digital control panel make it easy to operate, while its pre-programmed settings simplify meal prep for beginners and experienced cooks alike. With a 5.7-liter capacity and 1,700 watts of power, this air fryer is compact yet powerful, making it a great fit for small to medium-sized kitchens. It features 6 cooking modes including air frying, roasting, baking, broiling, dehydrating, and reheating, allowing you to prepare a wide variety of meals with one appliance. Its odor erase technology minimizes lingering food smells, keeping your kitchen fresh, while the Clear Cook window lets you monitor your food without opening the basket. The Even Crisp technology ensures deep-fried texture with up to 95% less oil, making it a healthier easier alternative to traditional frying. The one-touch smart programs make it easy to cook a variety of meals, and the dishwasher-safe basket simplifies cleanup. If you need a mid-sized, easy-to-use, and multifunctional air fryer, the instant Vortex Plus XL is one of the best choices you can make. Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501 is the best budget-friendly option for those who want great performance at an affordable price. Despite its compact size, this air fryer delivers exceptional cooking results, making it an ideal choice for individuals, couples, or small families. It features Cosori's signature air whisper technology, ensuring ultra-quiet operation so you can cook without the noise of traditional air fryers. The sleek, matte design with a touchscreen control panel adds a modern aesthetic to any kitchen while being incredibly user-friendly. This 4.7-liter air fryer with 1,500 watts of power is designed for those who need a high-performing yet space-saving appliance. With 9 preset cooking programs, you can easily prepare fries, chicken, seafood, vegetables, and more with the touch of a button. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup effortless, while the 360-degree rapid air circulation ensures that food cooks 30% faster than a conventional oven, delivering crispy and evenly cooked meals. Its energy-efficient design helps reduce power consumption, making it a cost-effective solution for everyday cooking. The compact build allows it to fit neatly on any countertop without taking up too much space. If you want great performance without breaking the bank, the Cosori Pro LE Air Fryer L501 is an excellent choice for smart and budget-conscious home cooks. Who will be the winner of 2025? The competition has been intense, but only one air fryer can take the top spot. This model stands out with its massive capacity, ultra-powerful performance, and smart cooking technology, making it the ultimate choice for any home chef. After testing and comparing them all, the winner of 2025 is the Philips Airfryer XXL. With exceptional cooking results, automatic smart adjustments, and powerful airflow technology, this air fryer is the best of the best. Now it's your turn. Which air fryer would you choose? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit the like button to show your support. And to stay updated on our latest product reviews and comparisons, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.